Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have another box variation to the BoxyCharm December base box. So I'm going to show you both variations. Now, one of them I showed you yesterday, so today I'm going to show you a new one just because it's got a new product that we haven't seen yet. So if you're excited for this video, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free. I promise you I won't charge you a thing. And also turn your bell on, that way you don't miss no more of these spoilers. Alright, and before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from the last video, which was some spoilers for the January BoxyCharm Premium Box. Congratulations, Anita Sweet. Anita says hi. Well, hi Anita. I swear I love that name every time I see it. I love some sweets. Anita, thank you, honey, so much. You are always watching my videos and supporting me, honey. I can't thank you enough, honey. And Anita, I love you so much, honey. Thank you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright, so again, guys, this is the second variation that we've seen for BoxyCharm base box, the December box. So I'm going to show you the one that we already seen and get that out the way, and then I'm going to show you the new one with the new product. So the first variation we've seen is this one right here. It's got the Storybook Cosmetics Little Red Riding Hood palette. It's also got that Brow Bar Brow Kit. It's also got the Ciate London, that blush. It's the Illuminating Marbled Blush, I believe. And then next is the Elemis Rose Facial Oil. And then next is the Seraphine Botanicals Dakin Dreams Lip exfoliator. I think that's how you say that. Probably not. But anyway, so that is the variation we seen yesterday. So here is the new variation right here, and it's got something new in it, guys. So I'll get to that last. First thing you see in this one is the Storybook Cosmetics Robin Hood palette. Next is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Next is the Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. The next thing is the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. And this one shows shade medium. Now their shades will vary in these kits. And the last thing, but certainly not least, and this is the one we haven't seen yet, is the Aesthetica Cosmetics Pore Minimizing Primer. And so that's exciting. Must be a new product. But anyways, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Sherry Vlogs. Sherry says, so excited for 2020. Sherry, I am too, honey. Gosh, dang it. I am going to think nothing but positive thoughts in 2020. I've already got my New Year's resolutions and everything ready, and I'm ready to launch them and use them. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, honey, for supporting my channel and coming over and watching and commenting. I just can't thank you enough, Sherry. Thank you so much, honey. Love you, girl. Remember, guys, you gotta leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that for me and make sure, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so y'all gotta take it. Go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys hit all this video. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss no more spoilers. You don't miss no more of my videos, y'all. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you want to put a face to the voice, honey, go check them out. They are there for you to watch and ridicule and whatever you want to do with them. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.